Hey friends, the Microsoft Store is an excellent tool to download apps, but what if it is not launching? What if you're able to launch it, but you're not able to download any app from it? It keeps on hanging. You try to install an app, it doesn't give that option. In this case, we have an excellent article on Microsoft Answers forum, and a lot of people have approved the solutions. So we'll go ahead with these solutions, and they are very easy. So first of all, reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. And this will reset the Microsoft Store, and after reset it will open, and then you will be able to download these apps most probably. But if it doesn't work, then you can always re-register the app. And how do we re-register the app? So we have a command line here, and I will share this one with you in the description section of this video. All you have to do is search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated PowerShell window. Now copy this command from the description section of our video and paste it here and hit enter. This will re-register the Microsoft Store. The next solution is an SFC scan. Now, why an SFC scan? Because an SFC scan checks for missing and corrupt files on the system and replaces them if possible. I should let you know that the older solutions will not work because the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter has been removed. And now you cannot reinstall the Microsoft Store. You cannot reset and repair it. So the best option we have is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last option is to check for updates like update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. If your computer updates, then remember to right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then click on restart to reboot your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.